Hello and welcome. It's Jelly Cube and I'm here in a right old mess. I just did a gorgeous Dutch pour. The colours, as you see on the scrape off, were absolutely beautiful, but I made a big mistake. I put some really runny, almost watery paint on the underneath, and even though the colours that I put on top were, I believe, the correct consistency, the whole painting, as it started to just sit for a few minutes, the white all started to craze. So I know that I thinned the paint way too much. So I was going to I have scraped off the whole canvas and I was going to go take it outside and wash it off, but I am just going to risk again going over this and doing something different and see if I can get a better result. But isn't that the wasn't that Einstein's theory of madness, is doing something once and it not working and then doing the same thing and expecting a different result? It just doesn't work. But I'm not doing the same thing again. I'm not going to use that white at all. And I absolutely believe that's what was making my paint just all crack. Oh, well, it wasn't cracking. It was the white was just going crazy and it horrible look, wasn't nice. So I thought, rather than clean this all up, start again, I'm just going to get straight into it. And I'm going to just go for it. I'm going to use all the same colours because they were absolutely gorgeous. I loved the colours, but I'm going to go back to how I used to do my work when I covered the whole of the canvas in my wiggles. Go back to my early pieces. I think my very first video I'd done, which is just over 2 years ago now, that I did my first non-speaking video, and I did this kind of pour. So that's the phthalo blue, and this is the deep sea, which is an absolute gorgeous colour. So I wanted this one lots of blues. The actual effect was gorgeous when it was blown out, but then it just lost all its integrity and just basically, as I said, these things happen. But I want to show you, if you get a result like that, you can just scrape the whole lot off and go wash your canvas off outside onto the grass and hose the paint in. It's absolutely fine. And let your canvas dry and start again. I mean, I definitely think that's a possibility, rather than dislike a canvas or feel that you can't sell it. So that's what I'm basically doing, except I haven't gone and taken the canvas outside this time. So this was a white that I'd made up, and I just added some of that dark sea to the white, so it's gone like a pepperminty green colour, which is gorgeous with these other paints, I believe. So I want to put plenty on. Now I'm just thinking that maybe I should have swiped in white, but anyway, I've got this ultraviolet. These are all the colours I put in my previous pour, and I will have to do the Dutch pour in it again because they were gorgeous. Rightio. Now I have got, this is the Berry Delicious that I make up. So I start with a real dark red and then add phthalo blue, and then I add a blob of black if you want it to go as black as like a cherry black. So I call it Berry Delicious. So I think I better leave it there. I did add gold in the last one, but not that you could even see it. So just giving it the gentle tilt. So the paint basically covers the whole of your canvas. This is back to the good old days, or the days that I used to do a lot of these, because it was my first attempts, and this is what I used to, this is how I started doing these kind of pours. Merrily go on my own little way, as you do. You get all the instruction off, you know, YouTube videos, but in the end, when you're in your art space, just do what your artistic and, you know, what you feel you want to do. Remember, it's your art room, your way, your rules. Wow, those colours are just stunning, absolutely stunning. So just recentering the whole thing again, so the paint is sitting hopefully very even. It's already started to sell up. I'm just grabbing a cloth. Oh, there you go. Wow, colours are beautiful. Now, what colour do you swipe this with? I want to do a swipe. This is back how I used to do. Oh, the only thing with these paints, none of these paints have got any silicone in. The pouring medium is in the drop down box. When I first started, I always used silicone, and I still do use it sometimes now, and I will tell you when I do. It's just that I mix these paints up without any silicone whatsoever. I'm just getting my lovely soft plastic file divider, and I will put, this is the white Amsterdam white. Let's see how I go with this. Maybe I should have swiped down from the top. So this is the Amsterdam. Wow, 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 those colours. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Not come up very well there because I obviously wasn't in the actual swipe colour very much. So I might try the swipe right from the top and do a thicker line. Let's see how I go. And then I might go over that. Let's just see. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, look at those cells pop up. Well, they're very lacy. Back in the day, I was getting the big round sort of chunky cells, but that's what you get with silicone, and these are the cells that you get when you're using Floetrol only. Wow. Colours are just stupendous. Love those colours. Absolutely love those colours. Right, here we go. Let's try this all the way through. So it's had a double swipe. Oop. Not worrying about that bit there. The colours are, I knew they were gorgeous from the previous pour that I just did, that I scraped. But as I said, it was no good leaving it because it was not going to work. But anyway, I am not. I may only just embellish the top there. Maybe some rolls would look good just on the very end. Rolls and not kisses. I'm loving this. I will bring you down because you have to see this is so gorgeous. So maybe just to look a bit like waves there. Does that look like waves? Or feathers maybe. Ooh. Go the other way. So it's just to embellish that area up there, but leave the rest of it because it is just gorgeous. I'm really happy with this. Wow. But I have to show you because I'm pretty sure you will not be able to see the gorgeous colours from up there. So I'll bring you down. Come on down. Well, here we are. Look at these. The results. That's the embellished at the top, and I really think I need to work with that further, but I have to let it dry off. But look at the colours and the lacy cells. Wowzers, trousers, look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at this lilac in there. It's beautiful. They look like rubies and sapphires. Definitely looks like precious gems. Ooh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at these ones. It is gorgeous. I'm really, really happy with this. I'll bring it up. Up. There you go. There's the whole piece. So I'm happy that I scraped, and I'm pretty sure this one will dry okay. So all good, all good. Very happy with it. So I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care, you good people. Until tomorrow, I'll be back tomorrow as I am every day. Yeah, take care. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.